Welcome back, philosophy enthusiasts. Today, I want to delve into the profound words of Abhay Kunanbayev from his poem In Word 6, The Book of Words. Let's explore the essence of unity and life as he sees it. A loafer and a sycophant, a hanger-on and an impudent fellow, valiant in his looks but craven in his heart, has no sense of shame. These lines depict individuals who lack integrity and true courage. Abhay's critique is sharp, aiming at those who wear masks of valor but are void of genuine bravery. According to a Kazakh proverb, the source of success is unity, and of well-being, life. But what kind of unity and life are we talking about here? Abhay challenges the superficial understanding of unity. Many think unity is in shared wealth or possessions. But he argues that real unity is a matter of the mind, not material wealth. True unity comes from a shared purpose and mutual respect, not just communal ownership. Imagine a community where people are bound only by their livestock or riches. They might seem united, but it's a fragile unity. It leads to moral decay, where people forget higher values and turn against one another. They sink into deceit and treachery. Real unity, according to Abhay, should be built on individual skills, strengths, and destinies. People should support each other out of respect and shared values, not because they are economically dependent on one another. Abhay also questions what kind of life brings well-being. It's not merely surviving, as even animals do that. True life, he says, keeps the soul alive and the mind clear. If your body is alive, but your soul is dead, no wisdom can reach you. You won't be able to earn an honest living or find true fulfillment. A loafer and a sycophant, a hanger-on and an impudent fellow, valiant in his looks but craven in his heart, has no sense of shame. Abhay's message is clear. If you live a life devoid of integrity and true purpose, you are not truly alive. A righteous death is better than such an existence. Reflect on this wisdom and seek a deeper unity and a more meaningful life. Thanks for joining me today. If you enjoyed this exploration of Abhay Kunanbayev, don't forget to like and subscribe for more philosophical insights. At Kazakh Review.